Good morning, candidates. A video was posted for NICL AO, and in that, one of the participants has made a comment asking for questions that will be asked in interview for the doctors. Very interesting. The thing is, see, when you are, you know what is the subject you have studied, and the questions will go based on your specialization or based on the work you are doing. They will first of all ask you, very good. So why do you want to come to NICL for this instead of doing a practice? Then you will give an answer. Sir, I find this NICL is giving a better opportunity for me to be in touch with customers and also communicate to them and be able to take over the, say, administration of policies on them and recognition of claims. This is the job role. I like it. And further, in my practice as a doctor, there are not sufficient opportunities and the pay offered is also low. So I would like to join an insurance company as an AAO. You can tell like that. Then after you are telling like that, they will ask you, what is the nature of work you have been doing all these days? When did you complete your degree? And what is the work you have been doing? Are you working in hospitals or are you doing private practice? Because I have had experience of getting for interview candidates who have done who were doing dental service as an independent candidate. They were having their own clinic and they were doing it. And there were candidates who were working in hospitals like say Chandigarh, Haryana, and all that. So I used to ask them what is the nature of work you are doing, they are doing, and based on the nature of work they are doing, the questions will be raised. Of course, you cannot rule out general questions like, say, what is general medical insurance and why people take insurance? What do you know about the Mediclaim insurance policy of our company? What are the principles of insurance? Then like that questions can go. And for doctors, there can be some basic questions on banking also. What do you know about Reserve Bank? What do you know about bank assurance? Why do banks canvass Mediclaim policies? Something like that. That you can have some questions like that. Apart from that, then you have to be aware of the understanding of insurance industry and why do you want to work in insurance sector? What are the different types of insurance policies? But in your case, you can tell more about Mediclaim. If necessary, they may ask you about other companies' insurance policies. How do you stay updated with industry trends and developments? What is your understanding of risk management? Like these questions can be asked. Now, coming to the aspect of, say, Mediclaim insurance, you know the process of by which it is done. The policies are issued by the company and say there are agencies appointed for, say, recognizing the claims, approval of the hospitalization, then cashless service and all that. You must be knowing it. Now, the questions can go like this. What is the difference between term insurance and whole life insurance policy? What are the key features of health insurance policy? Like that, they can ask you. And they can also ask you, how does Insurance Regulatory Development Authority regulate insurance industry? What is the purpose of insurance policy cooling off period? Like that, what are the functions of IRDAI? Like that they ask. In some interviews, they have asked even what is Dhyan Chand Award, Arjuna Awards, like those questions also are also asked. Sometimes they ask about the RBI governor, deputy governor. So please go through the basics of banking. Then they will ask you, what do you know about National Insurance Company? What are its vision, mission, and all that? Then other questions for the doctors that appear before my eyes. Are you ready to be posted anywhere? Then like that, say for, I'm telling only about doctors. Why you want to leave the clinic and join a separate sector? How many people are insured in India approximately, including private and government insurance? What is the meaning of your name? Then they asked some questions related to emphysema, EMPHYSEMA, then asthma, then septicemia, then seizures. Then bronchial asthma, gaseous exchange in body, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then superior vena cava, I don't know what it is. You must be knowing it. Doctors, you must be knowing it. Then some more questions for doctors. Hepatic encephalopathy. Hepatic encephalopathy. Then difference between type 1 and type 2 respiratory failure, type 1 and type 2 diabetics, rheumatic heart disease, myocardial infarction, some other renal and liver diseases. And for the same candidate, they have asked which country doesn't have any agricultural land, which country does not allow girl and boy to walk together in public. I don't know what is the connection between doctors and this, but they asked. Then for one doctor, they asked, what is spleen functions? For a candidate from Amritsar or Chandigarh, they asked, which Guruji established Amritsar, city of Amritsar? Who started the langar? Then questions on how will you approach or manage patients with breathlessness, bronchial asthma, appendicitis, intestinal obstruction, like this. Questions go like this. What do you mean by health insurance? About some system like respiratory or circulatory or any other. Tell me something about Dabur brand, honey, Chyawanprash. Tell me something about Nirma brand washing powder. Then please mention latest judgment of PMLA. Please latest judgments of ED. Please mention latest judgment from criminal. This is for law candidate, not for you. For doctors, for doctors. I'm just seeing what are the other questions because only a few doctors came to me. So based on whatever they have given, I have been able to get the questions. But one problem with NIC is that they ask any question under GK about state, about country, and they also ask any question about your subject. And then, how is statistics used in insurance sector? Then I am just seeing whether I'm getting some more medical questions. Why there is a gap in years? Why do you want to join insurance? What are the fundamentals of Ayurveda? Name doshas. TT of Vata dosha. TT of Pitta dosha. Tell me something about Panch Karma. I don't know what it is. Please, but you people will be knowing, doctors will be knowing. What do you know about life insurance? What do you know about the regulator, agents, brokers, government, individual and group policies? Like that, these questions come. Only this many questions are there with me. So I have given you fairly good idea about what are the various questions that can be asked. I suggest you go through the website of NICL thoroughly. Also, if you have time, please go through the website of say other general insurance companies from your subject and doctor means doctor and please go through that and prepare. I am sure you'll be able to score good marks provided you prepare based on the questions I have told you. Don't believe that these are the only questions they will ask. They may ask something not directly related to this also. Please be ready for general insurance, about NICL, about IRDAI, then about banking, about SEBI, everything you get prepared and go as a confident person. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.